Hello students, today we are going to see about Java database connectivity. So let us go into the topic. JDBC driver. So what is JDBC driver? JDBC driver is a software component that enables Java application to interact with the database. For example, using JDBC drivers enable us to open database connection and to interact with it by sending SQL or database commands, then receiving results with the Java. So we can see what are the JDBC drivers. There are 4 types of JDBC drivers. They are as follows. The first one, type 1 JDBC ODBC bridge driver. The second one is type 2 native API driver. It is a partially Java driver. The third one is type 3 network protocol driver. It is a fully Java driver. And the final one is type 4. It is a thin driver. It is also a fully Java driver. So first we can see type 1 JDBC ODBC bridge driver. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver uses ODBC driver to connect to the database. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver converts JDBC method calls into the ODBC function calls. This type 1 is discouraged because of the thin driver. Next, the diagram shows type 1 JDBC ODBC bridge driver clearly. So it has got JDBC ODBC bridge driver, that is ODBC driver, then vendor database library. That is, here the bridge driver uses ODBC driver to connect to the database. The JDBC ODBC bridge driver converts JDBC method calls into the ODBC function calls. So this is how the type 1 JDBC ODBC bridge drivers works. Next we can see the JDBC ODBC bridge driver advantages. So first advantage is it is easy to use. The second one is it can be easily connected to any database. The disadvantages of JDBC ODBC drivers are its performance degraded because JDBC method call is converted into ODBC function calls. The ODBC drivers need to be installed on your client machine. So next we can see the type 2 native API driver. It is a partially Java driver. The native API driver uses the client-side libraries of the database. The driver converts JDBC method calls into a native calls of the database API. It is not written entirely in Java. Here the next diagram shows the type 2, that is native API driver. Here the native API driver uses the client-side libraries of the database. Here it is given as the vendor database library. So the driver converts JDBC method calls into a native calls of the database API. So it is clearly given in the diagram. Next we can see the advantages and disadvantages of type 2 native API driver. The advantage is its performance upgraded than JDBC ODBC bridge driver. The disadvantages are the native driver needs to be installed on each client machine, and also the vendor client library needs to be installed on each client machine. So we can see another 2 types of drivers in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.